Hi, Jake. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk.
Hi, Lisa. I'm happy to be here.
Yes, I'm excited too. Today we will talk about hobbies, something we all enjoy in life.
Oh, hobbies. Yes, I like hobbies. Sometimes I watch football and sometimes I draw.
That's great. Watching football can be a hobby if you really follow the games, and drawing is creative, so it's perfect.
Hmm. Yes, I like draw cartoons and sometimes animals, but they look funny.
Ha 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 ha. That's okay. Practice is more important than perfect. Look at small improvements every day.
Oh, so I try one small drawing every day better than one big drawing, yes.
Exactly. Little by little you get better and enjoy the process too.
Yes, I feel happy when I finish a drawing even if not perfect.
That's the spirit. That's what hobbies are, for enjoyment and relaxing your mind.
So hobbies can be quiet like reading or drawing and also active like sports.
Exactly. Sports, hiking, cycling. Anything that makes you happy and keeps you motivated.
Oh, hiking. I never try, but I want to try. I think mountains and fresh air are nice.
Hiking is wonderful, and you can combine it with photography. Taking photos can be a hobby too.
Oh, yes, I like photos. I take sometimes with my phone, but I don't know which camera is good.
Don't worry, you can start with your phone and learn basics. You don't need expensive camera first.
Yes, small steps first, then maybe better camera later.
Exactly. Hobbies should not be stressful. They should make you feel good.
Yeah. Sometimes I start hobby, but stop after 2 days because I forget or busy.
That's normal. Many people feel the same. The key is small daily routine. 5 minutes of drawing or reading is enough to start.
Oh, 5 minutes, okay? I can do that every day.
And slowly, you can increase time. Also, enjoy the process, not only results.
Yes, I try. I like drawing, but also cooking. Sometimes I try new recipes.
That's wonderful. Cooking is creative and useful hobby. You get to eat what you make, ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Yes, eating is best part. I like pasta and sometimes cake.
Oh, cake is great. But remember, practicing different recipes teaches you English too, like reading recipes in English.
Oh yes, recipe words. I see like ingredients and method. I learn new words.
Exactly. That's why hobbies are also good for learning English naturally.
Oh, I didn't think hobbies help English too.
Yes, because when you read, listen, or talk about hobbies, you learn new words and phrases without stress.
Oh wow, so drawing, sports, cooking all can help English also.
Yes, Jake, exactly. That's why hobbies are important for both fun and learning.
So I choose few hobbies and try every day maybe better skill and English too.
Yes, little by little, you improve in both skills and language.
Okay, I start today small drawing and read one cooking recipe in English.
Perfect. That's exactly how to enjoy hobbies and learn English at the same time.
Ha ha ha. Yes, I feel excited now.
Me too. Let's continue. We can talk more hobbies and useful phrases next. So, Jake, now let's talk about how to describe your hobbies in English.
Oh yes, I want learn how to say hobbies properly.
For example, you can say, I enjoy drawing or I like cooking, not I am enjoy or I cooking like.
Okay, so correct is I enjoy cooking, not I am enjoy cooking.
Yes, exactly. Small grammar correction, but very important.
Okay, I try. I enjoy reading and I enjoy drawing.
Perfect. That sounds natural. Also, you can add frequency words like sometimes, every day, once a week.
Oh, so I can say, I sometimes draw cartoons.
Exactly, or I read books every day. Frequency words make your sentences more complete.
Oh, I see. Okay. I say, I sometimes play badminton.
Yes, perfect. And you can combine hobbies with reason. I play badminton because it is fun.
Oh, yes, fun, Okay. I say, I enjoy cooking because I love food.
That's very good, Jake. That's how we naturally explain hobbies and feelings.
So I can say I like hiking because I enjoy fresh air.
Exactly, very natural English. And you can also ask questions to learn about other people's hobbies.
Oh, like how to ask, what is your hobby? Yes.
Almost yes better way is what hobbies do you have or what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, okay. So I ask Lisa, what hobbies do you have?
I have many hobbies. I like reading, painting, and sometimes I try new recipes. Oh wow, Lisa, many hobbies. You very active. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Yes. But I start small first and slowly add more activities. Okay, I learn small first, then maybe more hobbies later.
One, exactly. That's very good attitude. Also, when you talk about hobbies, you can use verbs like practice, try, enjoy, learn.
Oh, so I say, I practice drawing every day. Yes.
Quite perfect, or I try new sports sometimes. Very natural English.
Okay. I say, I learn cooking recipes from YouTube.
Yes, exactly. That's correct. Also, you can describe your level like beginner, intermediate, expert.
Oh, so I say, I am beginner in painting.
As perfect, yes, and you can add small adjectives like simple, interesting, fun to make sentences more colourful.
Oh, I say, I try interesting recipes.
Very good, Jake. You see how naturally English can be learned while talking about hobbies.
Yes, yes, I see little by little I speak better and maybe sound natural too.
Exactly. And you can also invite others politely. Would you like to join me in badminton? Or do you want to try drawing together?
Oh, polite invite. I say, Jake, would you like join me for cycling?
Ha ha ha, yes, that's correct. Small correction. Would you like to join me for cycling?
Ah, yes. Would you like to join me for cycling? Sounds good.
Sound very good, Jake. This is exactly how native speakers invite each other politely.
Okay, I try. Would you like to read a book with me sometime?
Perfect, very polite and friendly. And this is also teaching how hobbies can help social English.
Oh, yes, So hobbies help fun, skills English, and making friends also.
Exactly everything combined. That's why hobbies are important for life and learning.
Hmm. I never think hobbies help English and social skills too.
Yes. Now you see slowly learning English through hobbies is very natural and enjoyable.
Yes, I feel more confident to talk about my hobbies now.
That's wonderful, Jake. Very good progress. Keep practicing daily and notice small improvements.
Yes, yes. I try every day small step, and maybe better English and better hobby skills.
Perfect. That's the best approach. And next we can talk about phrases for talking hobbies with friends or strangers.
Oh, yes, I want learn more phrases and maybe polite ways to talk.
So, Jake, now let's practice how to talk about hobbies with friends or new people.
Oh, yes, I want learn polite phrases.
For example, you can say, do you have any hobbies? Or what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, I say, Lisa, what do you like do in your free time?
Almost yes, small correction. Lisa, what do you like to do in your free time?
Ah, yes, what do you like to do in your free time? Sounds good.
Can't see perfect. And you can answer politely too. I enjoy reading books or I like playing badminton.
Okay, I say, I like drawing and sometimes cooking.
Very good, Jake. That's clear and natural. Also, you can add because to explain why.
Oh, I say, I like cooking because I enjoy trying new recipes.
Exactly, very natural. And you can invite politely. Would you like to join me for, or do you want to try together?
Oh, I say, would you like join me for painting?
Small correction. Would you like to join me for painting?
Ah, yes. Would you like to join me for painting? Perfect.
See, Jake's small corrections make English sound natural and polite.
Yes, I understand. Now I can speak better and polite also.
And you can talk about frequency too. I sometimes play badminton, or I usually read books in evening.
Oh, yes. I say, I sometimes draw cartoons and I usually watch football.
Very good, very natural English. And you can describe level like beginner, intermediate, expert.
Oh, yes, I say, I am beginner in drawing and intermediate in football.
Perfect, Jake. You see, English phrases naturally come while talking about hobbies.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Also remember, you can add small adjectives: fun, interesting, exciting. I enjoy exciting sports like badminton.
I say, I enjoy fun and interesting recipes when I cook.
Exactly. Very good, Jake. That's perfect usage, and hobbies can help you meet new people too.
Yes, I like meet friends through badminton and cooking classes, maybe.
That's wonderful, Jake. That's exactly the social benefit of hobbies, and learning English while doing hobbies is extra bonus.
Oh, yes, I never think English and hobbies together can be so fun.
Yes, it is very natural and enjoyable method. Keep practicing every day small steps and you will improve.
Okay, I try every day small hobby and small English practice. Maybe better English and fun also.
Perfect. That's the best approach. And now let's quickly recap useful phrases we learned today.
Oh, yes, recap, please. I want remember all.
First, I enjoy or I like to talk about your hobbies.
Okay, I remember I enjoy drawing and I like cooking.
Second, sometimes, every day, usually, to explain frequency.
Oh, yes, I sometimes play badminton. I usually read books.
Third, because, to explain reason, I like cooking because I enjoy trying new recipes.
Yes, correct.
Fourth, polite invitations. Would you like to join me for, or do you want to try together?
Yes, I try. Would you like to join me for painting?
Fifth, small adjectives for fun: interesting, exciting, fun. I enjoy fun and interesting activities.
Oh, yes, I remember.
And remember describing level beginner, intermediate, expert. I am beginner in drawing.
Perfect. I remember all phrases, Lisa.
Wonderful, Jake. You did very well today. Keep practicing hobbies and English together.
Thank you, Lisa. I feel happy and motivated to try more hobbies and speak English.
Me too, Jake. It was fun talking and learning together, and I hope our viewers enjoyed too.
Yes, everyone try your hobbies and practice English every day. It is fun and easy.
Those, exactly small steps every day and enjoy the process. That's the key.
Okay, bye everyone. Keep learning and having fun.
Diolch, bye everyone. See you next time. Keep practicing your hobbies and English.
Bye-bye. Keep smiling and enjoy learning English through hobbies. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel.